Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to invest in ETF through Groww. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Right now, Nifty is trending up and Bank Nifty is doing well too. We'll start by searching for ETFs on the Groww app. They haven't given a separate section for ETFs, so you will have to search for them manually. Before investing, make sure you have a Demat account opened with Groww, and that you have added some balance to it. First, search for ETFs in the Groww app. Once you click on it, you will see all the available ETFs and their categories. For now, we won't go into too much detail about these categories. Just know that ETFs work similarly to stocks and follow stock market timings. They are also closed on Sundays. When investing in ETFs, look for the ones with the most negative trends, not the positive ones. For example, right now, the Motilal ETF is showing the biggest negative trend. Before investing, check a few things. First, check is it going up or down consistently. Then, how many people are buying or selling? Look for ETFs with a high volume to ensure liquidity. Has it been stable over the past year or so? After considering these factors, you can decide whether or not you want to invest. Now, let's buy an ETF. If it's currently in the negative, that's good. It means you can buy it at a lower price. Don't invest all your money at once. Spread it out over the month. For example, if you have 30,000 to invest, don't spend it all in one day. Invest a little bit each day. I'm going to buy 3 units of this ETF. Always select delivery instead of intraday so that you can hold on to it and sell it whenever you want. Once you have made the purchase, you can check your order status in the app. You can also redeem or withdraw your investments anytime. Remember, the key takeaway is to buy when the ETF is in the negative, not when it's positive. And that's pretty much all about how you can invest in ETF through Groww. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And if you have any issues regarding this video, feel free to let us know in the comment box. And don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.